Find the total surface area of the square-based composite solid. Okay, so this is a pyramid on top of a prism, right? So there's the pyramid top, and you can see the prism on the bottom. If you spin it around, you can kind of get the idea of what it looks like in 3 dimensions, right? So you can spin it that way, looking at the bottom, and the bottom is now on the top, and now the bottom is at the back, and there we go. Okay, so that's a pyramid on top of a prism. So what I'm going to do is the calculations. All right, so the total surface area is going to be the lateral surface area of the pyramid, right? So it's all these pyramidal surfaces that we're looking at, okay? Well, all the pyramidal parts, so here and there. So all these triangular faces, okay? And then the lateral surface area of the prism, which are all these faces, right? Here and here, these big long rectangles, okay? Now, there's nothing wrong with saying, look, figuring out the area of one of these triangles, multiplying it by 4, and finding the area of one of these rectangles, multiplying it by 4, and then finding the area at the base, right? You could do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But what I'm doing here is I'm just going to be following the formulas that we've been using so far. Okay, so I'm saying the total surface area is the lateral surface area of the pyramid plus the lateral surface area of the prism plus the bottom. Okay, so the lateral surface area of the pyramid is going to be the perimeter of the base times the slant height divided by 2. The lateral surface area of the prism is going to be the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism, right, the 1.64, and then the area of the base, okay? So the perimeter of the base is each, 4 sides. Each side is 9.78, so it's 4 times 9.78. Then the slant height is 5.75. We're talking about the total surface area of the pyramid, not the total surface area, but the lateral surface area of the pyramid. So 5.75 is the slant height, and then we divide all that by 2, plus the perimeter of the base of the prism, which is going to be 4 times 9.78 again. So 9.78, 9.78, 9.78, and 9.78. Okay, and then we're going to multiply that by the height of the prism, which is 1.64, which is right here. Okay, and then to that we add the area of the base. It's just a square, right? If we look at it this way, okay, you can see that it's a nice square. Let's just put it that way, and there you go. So there's your square base. Okay, it's 9.78 by 9.78. Whoops, a daisy. Okay, but you get the picture, right? Back to our calculations. So 9.78 times 9.78, or 9.78 squared. Okay, so then it's calculator work. So we take our calculator, and 4 times 9.78 times 5.75 divided by 2 plus 4 times 9.78 times 1.64 plus 9.78 squared equals, okay, so 272.2752 centimeters squared. Okay, there we go. So we take that number and we put it into the answer, and centimeters squared. Okay, and yay, that's it. All right, have a good day.